Common ion effect. For common ion effect, it means that you have some common ions in there. You have more than one type, so or you have more than one of those. So calculate the pH of a solution that has 1.00 molar of acetic acid and 1.00 molar of sodium acetate. All right, and the Ka is given to us. So we set up our problem. CH3COOH plus water to give us H3O plus and the acetate ion CH3COO minus. Okay, now in this case, this is what we have to have a change here, because since you're working with common ion effects, you already have some concentrations given to you. All right, so then our initial concentration as given to us is 1.00 molar for the acetic acid, and then we're also given 1.00 molar for the sodium acetate. Sodium is not there because it is a spectator ion. Okay, so we have these given to you. So what's going to happen over the change is you'll have the minus x and of course the plus x's, all right, of this. And remember, we are calculating pH. So then at equilibrium, you should have 1.00 minus x as your concentration here, and then x as your concentration for the hydronium ion, and 1.00 plus x, okay, for your acetate ion. So then 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5, this is the Ka, is equal to x, which is the hydronium ion concentration, and then 1.00 plus x divided by 1.00 minus x. Okay, all right, I'm going to go ahead and ignore all x's. Okay, and again you can ignore because this is 1 divided by 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, so that's going to be a very large number, so you can ignore x in those cases. So which means that really 1.85 times 10 to the 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5 is equal to x, which is also equal to then your hydronium ion concentration. So take the negative log of 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5, and this is equal to 4.74, and that is the pH of the solution. This is also a prelude to buffers, okay, because what you have just done is you're dealing with acids and their conjugate bases. Okay, so if you had the molarity of 1.00 for the acetate and 1 molarity for the acid, then the pH of that buffer is 4.74.